A balloon is rising up along the axis of a concave mirror of radius 20 meter. A ball is dropped from the balloon at a height of 15 meter from the mirror when the balloon has a velocity of 20 meter per second. Okay, find the speed of the image of the ball formed by the concave mirror after 4 seconds. Now first of all, if I consider this as a concave mirror, okay, placed at the bottom of a balloon, okay, and exactly along the principal axis a body is dropped. Okay, initially the body is situated, okay, at a distance of, initially it is situated at a distance of 15 meter from the balloon. Let us find out its displacement, and its initial velocity will be equal to 20 meter per second in the upward direction. Now how do I know that it is equal to 20 meter per second in the upward direction? Because it is given that the balloon is rising up. Okay, so let me find out its position and the velocity after 4 seconds. So first of all, we have to find out the velocity. We will use the formula v is equal to u plus at. The acceleration is the acceleration due to gravity. V is equal to u 20 minus, okay, at, which is equal to 10 into t. Okay, 10 into so it will be 10 into t. So I will substitute the value of t. It will be equal to 4. So it will be equal to minus 20 meter per second. So if you consider the final velocity and the initial velocity, the magnitude are same. So after 4 seconds, I can say that the same balloon is going in the downward direction. The same balloon is going in the downward direction with the velocity of 20 meter per second, or the speed of 20 meter per second. Okay, the velocity will be negative, but the speed will be same. So I can say that if the speed remains same in both the cases, the position of the balloon in position of the body, whatever is the ball, okay, or the whatever body that is dropped from the balloon, it will remain same. Okay, because if you calculate the displacement will come out to be same. Okay, the displacement will come out to be same. So it means that the body will appear at the same position after 4 seconds. Okay, now this makes the sum a little easy. Okay, so let us find out, we have to find out the velocity of the image. Let us first find out the general equation of the position of the image. 1 by v, for a mirror it will be equal to plus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f. Okay, now over here if you consider the u, I will take this as the principal axis, this as the center, okay, this as the pole, okay, or the center O. So the u over here is equal to negative 15 meter. Okay, and the u, or I can say that velocity of the object, okay, I can say the velocity of the object, it is approaching the mirror. Okay, that is, if I consider this as the downward direction as positive, the upward direction as negative, so it is approaching the mirror, so it will be positive 20 meter per second. Okay, it will be equal to positive 20 meter per second. Okay, the focal length remains constant. Okay, the focal length does not change. The focal length over here is given as the radius of the curvature is 20 meter. So the focal length will be equal to 10 meter. Since it is a concave mirror, correct? Okay, since it is a concave mirror, it will be equal to minus 10 meter. Okay, it will be equal to minus 10 meter. Okay, let us substitute the value and first get the value of v over here. Okay, so now 1 by v, okay, minus 1 by 15 will be equal to minus 1 by 10. Okay, so if I calculate the value of v, 1 by v will be equal to minus 1 by 10 plus 1 by 15. Okay, so it will come out to be, it will be equal to minus 3 plus 2, which will be equal to minus 1 divided by 30. Okay, so basically, which implies v will be equal to negative 30 meter. Okay, let this term be as it is, we will use this later. We have to find out the velocity, so we will differentiate this part. Okay, we will differentiate this part. So 1 by v, the differentiation will be equal to minus 1 by v square. Okay, velocity of the image, okay, I can directly write the velocity of the image. Okay, dv by dt, the distance, it will be equal to velocity of the image, okay, minus 1 by u square, okay, into velocity of the object. The focal length does not change, it will remain constant, so it will be equal to 0. Okay, so I can say that minus 1 by v square into vi is equal to 1 by u square into vu. Okay, let us substitute the value. V is equal to minus 30, so when I square this term, it will be equal to minus 1 by 900. Velocity of the image is unknown. Velocity of the object, the distance of the object is situated at 15, so it will be equal to 1 by 15 the whole square, which is 1 by 2 to 5. Okay, 2 to 5 into velocity of the object. The object is approaching at a rate of 20 meter per second, which is positive. Okay, which is positive over here. So this will give me the answer as 4. So velocity of the image will be equal to minus 80 meter per second. This will be the velocity of the image. Okay, when the object is moving towards the lens, okay, at whatever it is the at 20 meter per second.